Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat may update po tayo ngayon dito sa DOH confirmed detection of COVID alert variant KP.2 in PH. Naku, meron na bang kumakalat na bagong virus at the COVID-19 sub-variant KP.19 known as the so-called flirt variant has now entered the Philippines according to Department of Health. Ayan, mag-ingat-ingat. Baka mag-face mask na naman tayo na ito. At panoorin po natin ang buong detalye guys na the
variant KP.2 known as part of the so-called flirt variant has now entered the country. This was confirmed by the Department of Health. In a statement, Assistant Secretary Albert Domingo of the DOH said that the subvariant was detected in a sample collection from May. According to the DOH, based on the latest sequencing data from the University of the Philippines, Philippine Genome Center, 2 cases of KP.2 were reported last month.
Alright guys, mag-iingat, pinag-iingatan lahat. At meron na naman totoo kaya itong bagong virus. At maraming salamat sa panonood at pagkikinig dito kay Road Trip.
Magandang hapon Ryan.
Sa ating live stream at sa ating reaction video. Thank you guys.